Hi boys and girls, it's Bored with Miss Reynolds, better off reading every day. I thought since it's Mother's Day, why not read a baby book? This one is called Highlights Hello. There it goes. Hello. Baby chicks. Baby chicks race, skeeter, skeeter, scatter. Baby chicks dance, pitter, pitter, patter. Baby chicks jump, skip, skip, hop. Can you see that? Those are the baby chicks. Baby chicks fall, slip, slip, flop. Baby chicks cry, peep, peep, peep. Baby chicks yawn, sleep, sleep, sleep. Can you see that? Hang on. A baby baboon, a possum pup, they all want up. As mamas swing or waddle or glide, babies enjoy a piggyback ride. Hang on. You see that baby right there hanging on? Check out that baby right there hanging on. Hang on, baby, hang on. Toucan, find it, yellow leaf, monkey. So we're looking for a toucan, which is right there. We're looking for a leaf, which is right there. And we're looking for a baby monkey, which is right there. I think we found them all. You're so good. All right, baby name animals. A sheep is called a lamb. A giraffe is called a calf. A turtle, hatchling. A fox, kit, and a fish, fry. There they go. Sheep, lamb, giraffe, calf. All those babies. Moose to the rescue. Truck, truck, moose. Truck, truck, moose. Sticky muck. The truck is stuck. The truck is stuck. The moose family got it loose. Oh, there's the joke. The moose family got it loose. It was stuck, now it's loose. Whee! Whee! There's the baby climbing onto its mama. And there we are. Bye! This one says, that was a very good squawk, muffle, snuffle, snort, hello. It's Bored with Miss Reynolds, better off reading every day. I do not own the rights to this book that I have read to you, but I love storytelling magic. And the magic of today's story is, I know it's Mother's Day and there's lots of mommies out there with little ones. That's why I thought the highlights, hello, would be perfect. Because I remember when my girl was little. It was a really, really awesome time in our lives. But now she's big, so happy birthday, moms of littles. Happy birthday, moms of bigs. Happy birthday. Oopsie daisy. Did you see what I did there? I was saying happy birthday. Happy Mother's Day, moms of littles. Happy Mother's Day, moms of bigs. Happy Mother's Day all around. What I found is that everybody is a mother of something. And while you're out there mothering, know that Bored with Miss Reynolds is here for you with more than 1,107 stories on YouTube. So go ahead, take a break. Put on one of my videos and let your little ones watch. And rest assured, there'll be some learning, there'll be some laughing, and there'll be lots and lots of loving. Bye.